Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So to do that, you should just slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and after that just click here on the right down corner on the settings icon. Here you'll see the transition effects. Click here, and here we got the slide one, that's just the default animation. Here you can select one from these available transitions. I'll go with the rotate, for example. Then just click here to done to save the changes, and click on the home button, or here on the right upper corner to OK button. And now, as you can see, we just successfully changed our device home screen animation. And if you want to just go back to the default one, you should go here into the settings, to the transition effects, and click here again to the slide. And that's it. Here we can just see this animation. And now, as you can see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation just to default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.